Does Kraken allow wire transfers? Intro. Hook, ever tried to send your hard-earned crypto to a traditional bank account? It can feel like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. But what if there was a way to bridge the gap between the crypto world and the traditional financial system? Today, we're diving deep into Kraken, a popular cryptocurrency exchange, to answer the burning question, does Kraken allow wire transfers? Building context. Crypto versus traditional finance. Let's talk about the difference between cryptocurrency and traditional finance. While crypto offers decentralization and security, traditional finance, represented by banks, is regulated and often more accessible to the average person. The need for a bridge. The problem arises when you want to move your crypto wealth from the decentralized world to the traditional one. This is where exchanges like Kraken come into play. They act as a bridge between the two worlds. Kraken, a brief overview. Before we delve into wire transfers, let's quickly understand what Kraken is. It's a popular cryptocurrency exchange known for its wide range of features, including trading, staking, and lending. The main event, wire transfers on Kraken. Direct wire transfers. The short answer is yes, Kraken allows direct wire transfers. This means you can send your fiat currency, like USD, Euro, or GBP, directly from your bank account to your Kraken account. Supported currencies and regions. However, there are some limitations. Not all currencies and regions are supported. It's crucial to check Kraken's website for the latest information on supported currencies and regions. Fees and processing times. Wire transfers typically involve fees, and the processing time can vary depending on your bank and Kraken's workload. Be prepared for potential delays, especially during peak times. Security considerations. When dealing with wire transfers, security is paramount. Ensure you're using secure internet connections and double-check the recipient's details before sending any funds. Kraken also has security measures in place to protect your assets. Benefits of wire transfers on Kraken. Ease of use. Sending fiat currency to Kraken is often simpler than converting crypto to fiat on other platforms. Accessibility. Wire transfers can make it easier for newcomers to enter the crypto world by using familiar banking methods. Leveraging traditional finance. By using wire transfers, you can leverage your existing traditional financial infrastructure to invest in crypto. Potential drawbacks. Fees. Wire transfers can be expensive, especially for international transactions. Processing time. Delays can occur, impacting your ability to quickly access your funds. Limited currency and region support. Not everyone can use wire transfers on Kraken due to these restrictions. Alternatives to wire transfers. Crypto to fiat exchanges. If wire transfers aren't an option, you can explore other crypto to fiat exchanges that support different methods, such as credit cards or debit cards. Peer-to-peer, P2P, exchanges. P2P exchanges allow you to trade directly with other users, potentially avoiding fees and delays. Conclusion. Recap. So, to summarize, Kraken does allow wire transfers, but there are certain conditions and limitations. It's a convenient way to move fiat currency into your Kraken account, but it's important to consider the fees, processing times, and currency support. Final thoughts. Ultimately, the best method for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. Research the available options and choose the one that aligns with your goals. Call to action. If you're ready to explore Kraken or other cryptocurrency exchanges, I encourage you to do your research and start with a small investment to get a feel for the market. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.